Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by acting fast. Open your gallery and go straight to the recently deleted or trash album. Many photos live there for 30-60 days. Once done, make sure you do not add new files or shoot more photos. Writing new data can overwrite recoverable images. If available, switch the device to airplane mode and free at least some storage to prevent background apps from saving data. These steps maximize your chance of success before deeper recovery tools are used. Next, choose a reputable recovery tool on your computer or a well-reviewed mobile app. Desktop software usually finds more files. Connect your phone with USB and set it to File Transfer or MTP so the tool reads internal storage, or remove the SD card and use a card reader. Then run a full deep scan, not just a quick scan, and filter results by date and file type. While scanning, be patient. Deep scans can take hours, but they find fragmented thumbnails and originals. Finally, recover any found photos to a separate drive or cloud folder, never to the original device, to avoid overwriting other recoverable data. Once recovered, verify image integrity and check metadata like dates to confirm authenticity. If files are corrupted or missing crucial parts, rerun a scan with a different tool, try image carving settings, or consult a professional data recovery service. One key troubleshooting tip: if scans return no results, stop using the device immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.